In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a thrift and resale business, specifically focusing on selling used clothing on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're looking to declutter your closet or dive into a new venture, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. First, let's talk about preparing for your business. The initial step is to identify your niche and target audience. This will guide your decisions on what types of clothing to source and sell. Spend some time researching current trends and what kinds of thrifted clothes are popular. Are you aiming to sell vintage pieces, children's clothing, or perhaps plus-sized fashion? Once you've nailed down your area of focus, it's time to start sourcing your inventory. Next, you need to create your listings on Facebook Marketplace. This involves photographing your items in a way that highlights their features. Good lighting and a clean background can make a huge difference in the appeal of your listings. Use clear, high-quality images to showcase each piece. Write descriptive and honest information about the items. Include details such as brand, size, condition, and any flaws they might have. The goal here is transparency, which builds trust with potential buyers and reduces the likelihood of dissatisfaction later on. Moving on, let's discuss engaging with buyers. It's crucial to respond to queries promptly and professionally. Be friendly and offer as much information as you can. Remember, good communication can set you apart from other sellers. Moreover, be prepared to handle back and forth conversations, as buyers may want to ask several questions before making a decision. Patience and understanding go a long way in creating a positive buying experience. Once you've established communication with potential buyers, the next step is to negotiate and arrange transactions. Know your bottom line, but be open to reasonable offers. Finding the right balance between making a profit and meeting the buyer's expectations is key. Always prioritize safety when arranging meetups for completing transactions. Consider using public, busy places for in-person exchanges or opting for shipping options if feasible. Finally, take steps to promote your brand. Having a strong, positive reputation is vital in the resale business. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews or positive feedback on Marketplace. You could also consider expanding your presence on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok to reach a wider audience. Share stories or pictures of satisfied customers to build your clout and credibility. By following these steps, you'll have a solid foundation for starting your thrift and resale business on Facebook Marketplace. Take your time to understand the nuances of each stage, from preparation to promotion. With passion and perseverance, you can turn your love for thrifted treasures into a successful enterprise. Thanks for watching and happy selling!